Morning everyone. In this video, we will discuss about slope of tangent and slope of normal. So before studying that topics, we have to study some previous topics. So let's start that topics. First we will discuss about slope. So this is a Cartesian plane of x and y axis. So suppose this is a line AB and angle we have taken theta, then slope of AB will be tan theta, which means it will be m. We know that now if lines are parallel, suppose this is a Cartesian plane of xy and AB and CD is a CD are both parallel to each other with angle theta. Here angle is same, so slope of AB is equal to slope of CD, means m1 will be equal to m2, means both slope will be equal. And if now if lines are perpendicular, means if this is a plane xy plane and AB is a line and CD is perpendicular to it, means 90 degree. So then slope of AB into slope of CD will be -1, means m1 into m2 is equal to -1. So now we will move to equation of line. Suppose this is a xy plane and this is a line AB named xy and x1 y1 and b x2 y2. Then equation of the line will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1, means this is equal to m. So m is equal to y minus y1 x minus x1. This is equation of the line. And now consider this diagram. Xy, this is a line and this is a slope. So here it will be, suppose this is slope m and this is a distance c, so this will be 0 and c. So y1 will be c and x1 will be 0. Now putting this in this equation, y minus c by x minus 0 is equal to m. So y minus c is equal to mx, so y is equal to mx plus c. This is the required equation. Now coming to slope of tangent. So consider this is a Cartesian plane of xy line and this is a curve. So we know that the line touches at one point is tangent, so this is a tangent and this is a perpendicular line, so this will be normal, and this is a line y is equal to fx. So here we consider that this angle is theta. So dy by dx at the point A, means at the point A here, at the point A is equal to tan theta, which means m. So slope of means it is m, slope of m. So slope of tangent will be tan theta, means m. Now coming to slope of normal. We know this is a line, perpendicular line. So we know that if lines are perpendicular, m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Here m1 is equal to slope of the tangent. M1 is equal to, this is a tangent m1, so slope of normal will be -1 by slope of tangent, means -1 by dy by dx. So that's all. Thank you.